Yeah, so my name's Aaron Howarth. I work for England Rugby. I'm one of the community rugby coaches in Lancashire. Today we've been down to deliver a rugby taste session. So it's really good enthusiasm within the school. I spoke to the head of PE who wanted me to come down and build on that enthusiasm with the hopeful aim of getting more kids interested in the sport and then transitioning them into what we call Bolton. The first thing is that the weather's really helped coming into summer now. They've enjoyed getting outside. They all participated in the session, it was great. They all felt included, so we asked questions. We used questions to really dig out their knowledge.